it's Emily, and today I'm actually going to be taking through the process of how I created this lovely wall that is behind me. And basically this is going to be a whole vlog of how I'm setting up this wall, rearranging my room, doing a room makeover. So I'm going to take you through painting the walls, setting everything up, putting things on the wall, even potting some succulents and doing things like that. So first, my bed actually used to be right here where I'm standing. So the first thing that I have to do is we're going to move around the furniture and then vacuum my room. So let's just get started. Okay, so we're about to paint the wall behind me. Just got back from Home Depot. We got paint, we got succulents. We're good to go. Okay, so the first coat is fully painted and it is behind me, obviously. Yeah, so it's in person it's a little darker than I expected, but on camera it honestly looks about the color that I want it to be, so I guess that's good. Anyway, so I wanted to do a little mini haul from Home Depot because I did go there and got a few things to go on the wall. First, I got a couple of succulents. So first we have this cutie that's the Chrysula pedophylla, if I am saying that correctly. And then this one's super cute. It's the Sedum Aurora. This one's called a watch chain. He's pretty unique. I think he's adorable. And then the last one is a compact mini jade. So all of these will be going on the wall. And then I have a bunch of these crates that I'm going to hang like this on the wall and put the succulents in them. And then obviously the succulents need pots. So I want all the pots to be either white or clear as a theme. And so I got some white spray paint to paint a few pots that I haven't already painted. And then of course I already have about 20 or so succulents that are already potted in white pots that I will display on the wall somehow. Also, in case you are wondering, the color of the paint that I got is called Crayon Apple Cream. So the first coat is done. We'll do the second coat tomorrow, and right now I'm going to spray paint a few pots white. So here's some of the pots. These ones are fairly small, should be pretty easy. Then I have this one that used to have a succulent in it that didn't do so well, so I want to paint the gold part of this white. And then I have these two that I'm also painting. So I've got about 8 pots that I want to go paint white, so I'm going to do that right now. So the next step to styling this wall is I'm going to style this clothes rack that I got. So I got this in a video that I will link in the corner that I did earlier on my channel where I unboxed it. And I got the hangers as well. And so in this video, I'm also going to be styling the rack. So I decided to go with a pink and white theme because the main theme of my wall is like pink, this wood color, and then white, as you can see, and like green with the succulents. So yeah, next I'm going to be styling this clothes rack. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is actually planting all of the new succulents that I got into little pots, as well as a few other succulents that I had to pot. So I painted the pots earlier, so now I'm just going to be planting them in all of their pots. So yeah, let's do that right now. Okay, so I already painted the first coat of pink onto this wall. Now I'm going to paint another coat because it needs 2 coats of paint to be like fully pink, and we want all the pink we can get. So I'm going to paint the second coat now. Okay, so I just finished the second coat of paint, and that is everything. Now I'm just going to let that dry, and then we can start on the fun stuff, which would be setting it up and decorating the area. So while we're letting the paint dry, I've done a few things. So I set up my clothes rack. I also filled a jar with like pink tone scrunchies to maybe use that as decoration. And lastly, I set my light box to say subscribe so that I could use that as decoration as well. So after this wall dries, I will be back with some more updates. So the next step is probably the biggest step, honestly, is to hang everything onto the wall so that everything like really comes together. So I hang like the subscribe button, the mirror, and all these little baskets onto the wall. So first I set like pieces of paper onto the wall that are the size of the basket so that I know where I want to put everything. And then I just go ahead and screw them into the wall. So let's do that real quick. so the next step is actually to like style the wall and everything that's on it. So I have to like decide where I want all of these succulents to be and like other things on this wall, like candles, books, whatever I want to put on here. I decided to bring in a few like pink and white items for my room rather than just having it be succulents, so that we could have a little bit of variety on the wall. So next we're just going to figure out where everything goes on the wall. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the final product of the wall because we are finally done. So here it is. Here's my clothes rack all styled with pinks and whites and a few purples. Then I have my subscribe button, all of my crates, and my moon mirror, which, hey. So here's what it all looks like. Okay, so that's basically everything for this video of like setting up the wall and everything. I hope you enjoyed my little like room makeover wall setup vlog. So yeah, I hope you like my little wall. You've probably been seeing it in a few of my videos that I've had on my channel, and if not, then definitely go and subscribe and look through some of my videos because I've been using this wall for a few days now. So subscribe if you like this video because this wall is going to be behind me in most of my future videos. So if you like it, then definitely subscribe to see them, and also comment I guess what your favorite color is. Mine, it's changed a lot, and right now I basically like any bright color, so pink is definitely in that category. Anyways, I post every Monday and Thursday, so stay tuned for those, and I'll see you next time. Bye!